Hello, this is Esther at Online Media Works. I've been asked to pop back onto YouTube to give you a bit more information about segmenting your lists and how you will know after tomorrow, GDPR Day, 25th of May, whether you can, who you can email and who you can't. So if we hop into Mailchimp and if we go to our lists and we go to view saved segments, you've probably set up a segment called GDPR opt-in. And if you've got an email opt-in and a mail opt-in and an advertising opt-in, then you may have 3 different segments that you have created. So having done that, I would probably then create another segment where the marketing permissions is not email, just to make your life really easy. And then if you preview that segment, you'll see who's got 85 people who match that condition. If we save that as a segment, and we'll save that as GDPR non-opt-in and auto-update, then in your save segments, you'll have 2 options. The ones that have opted into GDPR, who you will be able to email after tomorrow, and then the GDPR non-opt-in ones that you will not be able to email after tomorrow. So unless you then go in and delete all of those contacts, they will stay sitting there, but you will not be able to do anything with them. Okay, so if you've got 3 different options, if you've got the email option, the direct mail option and the advertising option, then you will then have 6 segments created. So you'll have an opt-in and a non-opt-in for each of your 3 options. I hope that makes some sense. So if we go over to another list and we go to view segments, you can see that there's a no opt-in and an opt-in, and so after tomorrow it's very easy to see who your non-opt-in ones are. I hope that makes sense. If you've got any questions, please get in touch with me. It's Esther at onlinemediaworks.co.uk. Speak to you soon.